Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to stream on TikTok using OBS Studio. So, to get started, what you want to do is first of all you want to make sure that you have at least 1,000 minimum followers on TikTok because at least in the US you have to be both over 18 years old and you need to have at least 1,000 followers to be able to go live. So unfortunately, if you do not have 1,000 followers, you won't be able to go live. But if you do, we'll be able to show you how to get your stream key and to access your stream URL so that you can plug it into OBS and stream using this software. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go over to this website right here, which is github.com/Lucius/Streamlabs TikTok Stream Key Generator/releases so that you'll be able to access the latest version of the Streamlabs TikTok Stream Key Generator zip file that once you install, you'll be able to open it up and extract it. And once you go to the application, you want to open the application so that you view this tab right here, which is the key generator. What you want to do is you want to click load token. Once you click that, it'll take you to your sign in page so that you could sign into your TikTok account. Make sure to click to sign in with QR code because if you don't, you'll have to go through way more processes than necessary. And once you do that, you'll be able to fill in the other information that should be automated over here. And after making sure that you go live, you'll be able to receive a stream URL and a stream key. And you want to individually copy those two so that when you go to the settings over here in OBS, you will be able to go to stream and you will be able to go to service. Then you'll be able to go to custom and then you'll be able to put in your stream server URL and then your stream key. And then you want to click apply and then you'll be able to keep streaming using TikTok from OBS specifically. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like these. Goodbye.